Hi, what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment and subscribe. This is about the only thing you need to do to show your support and motivate me to keep on going. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and leave some comments down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Oh, don't forget, turn on the notification button so you know every time a new recipe drops. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.